Hey folks, I'm back again. Okay, now everything's going pretty good except for Cheryl. She got hurt. Sorry about the winter storms. I did warn people, but I got bad jokes and jeers from everybody. So screw you, you idiots. I did warn you, and we're going to have a couple major storms. We have three coming up. We're going to hit the Northeast, the Appalachian Trail, central United States near the Mississippi on the east side, a little bit on the west side. We have another storm. It's a northeaster coming out of Atlantic. And for us on the west coast, we got something coming out from, it's a like a weird loop. It's going to hit Idaho. Sorry, Gil. It's going to hit Montana. It's a weird, unstable looping pattern like this. A lot of people don't listen to Uncle Al. That keep speaking as esoteric terms, and I tell everybody we got six more earthquakes. I'm not going to tell you that because we're already in phase one. A lot of you laughed at Uncle Al on December 27th. Who has the last laugh now? I did warn you about them. Now they're in every state of the union. They're going to first pass the red flag bills, and they're going to get packing for it. They're going to raise your taxes, and sooner or later, you're going to kiss your kids goodbye. So laugh on that. I won't say it because I'll get banned from YouTube. But first, we'll help out our friends. Kayfabe, who still hurt her back. She's trying to do her best. We need 6 more people to get Kayfabe over, and also Cheryl Hirsch. We need 6 more people to help them out. Okay? So far, nobody wanted to do that feedback loop. I told you, if you donate $2.70 to the person you like, if you don't want to donate it to me, donate it to these folks right here. $2.70. If we get 10 people to help out these people, each, 10 times, think about it, 10 times $2.70. You could mail it to them. You could do like I PayPal. You could send them in a big present. You could get them food. You could get them gear. Now, both of these ladies live in crappy areas. I like Missouri, but sometimes I did warn them about the ice and snow and about the flip. But everybody laughs at Uncle Alan. Who's laughing now? I'll do another video next, after this one, about the coronavirus. As a coronavirus. Nobody ever listens to me, so you die. Okay? And don't complain or make these stupid videos. Oh, we're going to die from a pandemic. You got a lot of things on your plate, and it's only first month of 2020, kids. And you have no idea what's coming up. Later.